In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your YouTube full screen not working on your phone. So the tips are pretty basic outside of one that is iPhone specific. So if you were to go to YouTube, and this is what I'm talking about. So if you were to click on a video and you play the video, but if you turn it sideways, it's not going to the full screen. So there's a couple things that you can do about it. One is when you click the actual video itself, it gives you a bunch of options here. And what you can do is actually go and hit the square at the bottom right corner. That should flip your screen over. Or you can go ahead and reset your phone, meaning you can close the app, restart the app, and then hopefully be able to watch a video at full screen. Or what you can do is go ahead and reset your phone. So resetting it, shutting it off. But there's one other thing that you can do if you have an Apple product, more specifically an iPhone. So when you're in your options and your video is not going to full screen, what you can do is actually X out of here and then go to the drop down menu where you see your battery and your Wi-Fi, and then just pull that down and you'll have some options here. Now, it's clever for iPhone to have this, but what you can do is you see this little lock screen with the safe lock symbol on it. You can actually go ahead and click that on, and then it says portrait orientation lock on. That will actually lock your screen out of any media that you're watching, so you can't flip it to a full screen. So you may have this on, so make sure you click this off as well. And that way your phone should be at this point be able to flip up to a full screen no matter what video that you're watching, and be able to watch it full screen when you turn your phone sideways. So I hope those couple tips help you out. Let us know in the comment section below if it did, and we'll see you in the next video.